Hello everybody, welcome again to my YouTube channel. As you can see at the back of this video, we got an arm saying welcome. Actually, I'm in the beautiful city of Mombasa. This is the second largest city right here in Kenya after Nairobi. So the reason why I want to do this video around this area, remember there's a Mombasa Gate Bridge that is going to be constructed. They say it is going to start next year, that is in January. So this is the reason why I am doing this video at this particular point. So towards the other direction, actually this is Mombasa Road, and it is going to take you all the way into Nairobi. So this is at a place called Makupa, and right now, oh my God, it is too hot in Mombasa. You really need to come and pay us a visit. So right here we got a monument. You can see it is well written. Mombasa County welcomes you, and there's a Santa Claus picture there. We're just approaching the December holiday, so this one tells you welcome to Mombasa. Now, apart from this being Mombasa Road, or rather all the way to Nairobi, towards that direction where you can see the white lorry going to, that is the Ronald Ngala Street. It is going to go round and round. You're going to find yourself somewhere near Likoni, Ferry, and this is the road that you can use all the way to the north coast. You can see there's a beautification of this roundabout. Some time back, the owner of this place did pass by. I mean, the owner of Mombasa Cement did pass, and it was quite a celebration. I know most of you do remember all that. So this one welcomes you to Mombasa, and then this is Mombasa Road. Mombasa Road goes all the way up to Mwembe Tayari, and to the other side, as I said, Ronald Ngala. And you can see there's a church, and then you can see Makupa police station. That is Lumumba Drive. Now, what is happening along Lumumba Drive? Along Lumumba Drive, we got the proposed Mombasa Gate Bridge. This is a bridge that is going to run parallel to the Likoni Ferry, and they say it is going to start somewhere in January next year. So this is the reason why I have decided to do this video. So let us drive a little bit along the Lumumba Drive, and I'll be able to show you where we expect the road to begin. The government of Kenya, through the Kenya National Highway Authority, KENHA, with the support from the government of Japan through the Japanese International Cooperation Agency, will develop the Mombasa Gate Bridge construction project with the aim of providing a functional road connection between Mombasa Island and Mombasa mainland south, both separated by the Likoni Channel, which is currently crossed through ferries operated by the Kenya Ports Authority. The government of Kenya, through the National Treasury and the Japanese ambassador to Kenya, recently signed a loan agreement paving way for the construction of the bridge, which is set to begin with immediate effect, hopefully January come 2025. This is a welcome move for tourism players in the South Coast. The construction of the 1.4-kilometer link bridge with a 660-meter span is expected to take 36 months to complete. The cable-stayed powered bridge will carry 4 traffic lanes and will be 69-meter high at midpoint, leaving sufficient space for ships to cross underneath it. The project is expected to improve transport and traffic flow to and from Mombasa significantly, and will also complement the Dungukundu Road bypass, which is almost complete and is expected to boost trade and tourism on the south coast. The new bridge is important as Mombasa is Kenya's main port, and improving the city's traffic flow will help boost the country's economy as a whole. So guys, this is Lumumba Drive, all the way from the Makupa roundabout. So I decided to jump into a tuk-tuk. It is too hot in Mombasa. Oh my God, I really don't know how people do survive here, but it is quite hot. But anyway, all in all, we thank God. So this is the place we are going to have the Mombasa Gateway, not Gateway, it is called Mombasa Gate Bridge, that is going to cross over Likoni onto the other side, the Mtongwe Ferry side, onto the south coast. So it is at this particular point that we are going to have the raising of it. I just don't know how to put it, but remember it is going to be a bit raised. So this is where it is going to start. According to online sources, they say the process of ensuring they got enough land for the road is going on. Some people have already been given notice to vacate. That is what is happening. So where we are using this road, or rather where I am right now, the road is going to be elevated. Yeah, I just forgot. I said elevated. I remember the other day I showed you a video of the Kilindini Bar. It is also going to go down if all of this is going to go as planned. Sometimes it's a bit hard to do away with heritage, but what do? We just have to accept and move on. So the Gate Bridge, it is estimated to cost 89 billion Kenya shillings. Wow. 89 billion Kenya shillings. Sometimes you might look at it and say 89 billion, it's quite a lot. Yeah, it's quite a lot. And sometimes you realize it's just little. It is just like when you choose to go to buy bread. That is when you realize 1,000 right now, it's no more. So if you're planning to come to Mombasa, remember, this is one of the travel modes right here in this county. It is called a tuk-tuk. I do call it a three-legged wheel. And if I'm not wrong, I think at this junction, some of the houses are going to be affected when the construction is going to start. Because at this point, the road is supposed to be more raised, and it is going to cross over Moi Avenue all the way to Ganjoni and all that. So this is part of the railway. It's called stationi. I'm a VP boss. That's what I'm told. Stationi.
Railway station.
A railway station. Yeah, and if you can see on the other side, there's a construction that is the railway rehabilitation, because people have complained coming from SGR to this side. It is a bit tricky, so from the SGR we are going to have a shuttle to this side. So from the look of things, the road is going to be going straight towards that corner I showed you. So that is how far it is. And I'm so sure when the road construction is done and dusted, this place is going to be a good one. And they say the Mombasa Gate Bridge is going to be the second largest bridge in Africa. That is after the one that is in Egypt. Yeah. So we just pray and hope that whatever they say, you know, some people say this government of ours, unless they work on it, you can never be so sure. You can't trust it. Imagine the river. You can't trust our government unless they are on it. That is when you can believe it. So to the right, that is the railway station. This area, I'm told, it is called Stationi. had to go around because there's no way you can cut across. But part of the railway is going to have, rather the Mombasa Gate Bridge is going to be raised. Even the Mombasa old bar, rather oldest bar, is going to be affected. But what do we do? When all this is done and completed, we are going to have the Dongokundu bypass. It is going to be very convenient for people who are coming all the way from Nairobi. And also the SGR. And also you can choose to ride above Mombasa Island into the southern coast. So part of this, remember the point I showed you, this is where it is going to step. And that means this is the oldest bar right here in Mombasa. It is going to be affected. So the main purpose of having this video is just to let you know how the Mombasa Gate Bridge is going to cut across from the Makupa roundabout to Lumumba Road, and then rise above the Mombasa train station, which is still under rehabilitation. Remember I said it is going to, or rather we are going to have shuttles all the way from Meritini SGR into this. So if you're that person who loves how they do it in Nairobi, that is going to happen right here in Mombasa. And the passenger station is under construction. So we're going to go all the way to Moi Avenue, and this is how the road is going to cut across. Specifically, the guys on the left. Yeah, from the map I've seen, the guys on the left are mostly affected, because even the buildings you can see right ahead, the first one is going to be affected. That is the Cannon House. So guys, this is at a junction of, this is the Mijikenda Road, and this is Moi Avenue. Now, if you can see right ahead, we got a building by the name Cannon Towers. I really don't know how the Mombasa Gate Bridge is going to affect it, but remember the way we've come, that is how the road it is going to go all the way down to the Likoni and then cross over into a place called the Mtongwe side, or rather the south coast part of it. Now towards the other side, towards up, that is, rather this is Moi Avenue, and Moi Avenue you are going to experience, or rather to explore, the Pembes and Ndovu. Okay, so I really don't know how it is going to be, but this is where the bridge, remember, it is going to be raised. So thank you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. If this is your first time to bump into this channel, kindly consider to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Okay, see you in the next. Bye for now.